looks like. This is 22 inches. This is 1B.
It's a straight 22 inches, 50 grams for 20 pieces. Yeah, it's a 1B. Yeah.
Okay. This is also a pack. I just removed it out of the plastic, and this is a number 2. This is 18 inches, and all of the hair is the same length throughout, and that's what I like about their tapings. So it's not like a lot of short pieces up here. It is literally all like the same length throughout, so the density is all the same. This is a number 2, and this is pretty cool to have different colors. This is your number 4. Again, that will look amazing, especially for people who want to change up their look in the summer. You can give a nice beige look. This is the 1613. You can do a lot with this. You could change this into multiple different colors, or you could really remove the tone out of it and make it a really nice platinum blonde. So you have a lot of varieties going on. And then we have.
I think we also have the kinky straights. Yeah.
Yeah, and then this is the kinky straight. I took it out the package because I like to mess in the hair. And this hair as well, you can color it, you can straighten it. It doesn't have to remain in this texture. You can curl it. You can do multiple things with it.